Very good afternoon, dear guys. Welcome aboard Asia Flight AK64361 for Kota Bharu. The commander of this flight is Captain Faik Ali, assisted by Senior First Officer Chai, and the rest of the cabin crew on duty today. Cabin crew Durina, cabin crew Shafika, cabin crew Izzat, rest of cabin crew in charge. This flight will take approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes. For your safety, put your seat upright. Ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, store your tray table and open your window shade. Usage of electronic devices is not allowed during taxi or for departure. Mobile phones, tablets and e-readers may only be used in flight mode after takeoff. Radio frequency transmitting devices must remain switched off at all times. Laptops must be stored during taxiing and takeoff and may only be used when the seatbelt sign is off. Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited. E-cigarettes are to be switched off and batteries removed. The charging and usage of e-cigarettes are strictly prohibited aboard the aircraft. If you need any assistance, please call us. Thank you. Cabin crew demonstration, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is our concern and the safety features may differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on when in contact with water, and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now, bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. In the event of a landing on water, slide rafts are located at all exits except exit B. Except exit B. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Thank you for your attention.
clear for takeoff. seatbelt sign is now. For your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Shuttle commence with the distribution of pre-booked meals and sales of other snacks and beverages. We seek your assistance to open your tray tables and tables to safely place your orders and other purchases. As a safety reminder, please be mindful when the card is passing through the aisle. Thank you. Pertama tadi syarat pasangkan tali kelidah pada saat dipalangkan. Untuk keselamatan anda dinasihatkan memasang tali kelidah semasa berada di tempat duduk. Kami kini bersedia untuk mengidangkan makanan berat tempahan dan hidangan lain. Kami mohon kerjasama anda untuk buka meja terlebih dahulu supaya kami dapat menyajikan pesanan dan pembelian anda dengan selamat. Sebagai langkah keselamatan, sila pastikan tiada halangan di gelombang pesawat. Terima kasih.